get into the skin though.
I guess.
During the last of our summer, y'all, because these kids go back to school on Monday. Yes. Y'all. Hello, beautiful people. Yes, it's time for bed. Your girl's getting ready for bed. Yes. I'm gonna get all this black girl magic, okay? But, hey, stop scratching. Stop, eat. Yeah, I was up here getting him prepared for bed, but he was going ham on me, so I had to pull out this booby and feed him. But, it is Wednesday night, and I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, all day tomorrow. And so I wanted to come on and tell you all good night, and tomorrow's vlogging day. So I'm gonna take you all along with us tomorrow as we have a pool / barbecue. The kids are starting back school, so that would be something fun. And plus my mom is in town, so yeah. Yeah, these kids are doing the most. The absolute most. So yeah, we're about to turn it down, guys, and I will check back in with you all tomorrow. Bye. Say good morning. Good morning, beautiful people. Out. Good morning. Okay. You can't do that to my face, baby. You just scratched my whole face. Good morning, beautiful people. This is what it's like waking up to an aggressive 8-month-old. Say good morning, y'all. Say good morning. Say good morning. Tell them good morning. Just popping on to say good morning, guys, and I'll check back in once the other kids wake up and we get our day started. Peace. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Alrighty, guys. So your girl is up just a bit more this morning from before, but well, hello, good morning. Well, I am here feeding the baby monster, and I'm about to do my daily devotion and probably go ahead. Well, I'm gonna go downstairs and make me some tea and a little breakfast, and then pretty much get ready for our pool day. So everyone else is still asleep, so it's just me and this little monster here up. So yeah. But I'll check back in a bit, guys. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. I had the maintenance man. He came here, did some stuff to the apartment, and I am sitting in the kids' closet. Yes, I am. Sitting in the kids' closet because I have this bag of socks and underwear that I got the kids for school. So I am about to actually take them out of the packets and put them up because the kids are preparing for school. So I want to make sure that, you know, they have their socks and everything folded and stuff like that. So that's what I'm about to do, guys. And then we're going to get it moving and prepared for this little pool day that we got going. So yeah, but I'm about to do this right now, y'all. Look at that. I think her. Alright, guys, so preparing for the pool, and I just washed my face with my Good Molecules cleansing bar, and I'm going to follow up with my discoloration correcting serum that I use. See if you can see this. See here, that's what I use for my face. So typically go in and do the top of my forehead, my cheeks, chin, and top of my nose, and rub in. love this product, y'all. I love it. All right, so I simply just rub it in, let it dry. And then next I go in with my Black Girl sunscreen, if you can see. Simply go in with this and yeah. It's my moisturizer going to the pool, so definitely want to put this on my face because I burn and tan so easy, y'all. So face has to be on point. And there we go. Fresh face. Fresh face. All right, y'all. I'll check with y'all in a minute. I'm going to show y'all, everybody, the fam before we leave to go to the pool. And then our transition to the pool because Mom Dukes is going to be on the grill. So we're just barbecuing some hot dogs, sausages, and hamburgers, and chicken tenderloins. And so we're going to be at the pool. So we're just doing chips with it, along with that. So that's that. Okay. All right, guys. So I think I'm going to do this one piece here. Kid friendly. Mom one piece. That's what I'm going to do today at the pool, guys. So yeah, let me go ahead and get changed then. Yeah. Bye, y'all. Say hey, girl.
Hi.
This YouTube. All right, y'all. We headed over to the pool. My mom and the baby and my older son walked over already. Me and my daughter and the baby. Say hello. Don't you pull that hat off. I'm not playing with you. Because it is hot on her. Hot. Hot, hot, hot. All right, y'all. We walking over. And my friend and her kids are on the way. And we're going to get this thing popping. Okay. It's hot as hell. Hot, hot, hot. It's hot in here. It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. I am getting too hot. I want to take my...
Mom, it's the easiest way to go up the stairs.
Go that way, baby. Say hey. Hey, hey.
Alright.
Hey, hey. We're gonna walk in. Gotta go up where my mama is. She finna get this grill cracking. Oh, God. It's hot than the oven cooking, y'all. It's hot. And it's all sun. All freaking sun. Woo. All right, y'all. Mama is up here. The grill area, yelling at her granddaughter because she's being lazy. Being lazy. Lazy. So about the grill. My mama about the grill, y'all. Oh yeah, they need to be wiped off. And is this one the same way? Did you check this one?
Huh?
You check that one?
But it still needs this one to my all this thing. I don't want to be over here. I want to be over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one clean though.
That one clean.
Yes.
Yeah, so we can use that one, huh?
This one, yeah.
Yeah. All right, about to get it cracking on this grill, y'all. Good.
Neighbor, hurry up and go get me some paper towels. Get out the sun. Come up here.
I told him to come up there. He goofy. Come on, Naima, let's go. Mama getting it all together, y'all. We got the wine, the food. Now the real test is putting it on. Y'all. Mama says she never worked one of these, y'all. But we're gonna figure it out because the instructions is right there. So we're gonna figure it out, y'all.
Alright.
Okay.
Hold.
Yeah, my mom. Mom, Ma, that's not appropriate. Say hi. That's my mother, y'all. Now we gotta figure out this
right here?
Yeah, we gotta figure out this grill, y'all. Black people and grills. If it ain't a charcoal grill, look.
Open the hood.
It'd be like foreign to ya.
Oh, be sure I'll...
Bryson! Bryson!
Me too.
Y'all thirsty? Get some water. Yeah, I get it. Alright, y'all. We got the grill going. To get it started so we can eat. And get in the booth. And get in the booth. Booth, booth.
You said we about to eat and then get in the pool?
Get in the pool, pool, pool. Y'all can go get in the pool. I'll get down there in a minute.
Nigga. What she got?
You feel it? The gas is different, honey.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Come up here. I said let's get a picture before y'all get in. Come here. I want to get a picture where everybody dry. When y'all get wet, it's over. Hey guys, yeah, I know you ain't digging. He digging his hand in my cup. Is something wrong with him? Come on.
No.
Say hey, y'all. Say hey, you two.
Hi.
All right, jump in. What y'all doing?
We in the pool.
All right, let me see y'all swim. Let me see y'all swim. Show me a little work. Show me a little work.
Wait, hold up. Watch this.
Oh my God.
Watch this, mommy.
Boo! Ooh, that boy did that. Ooh, look at that little fish. Ooh, what you got, Nye? Ooh,
Watch this.
let me see, New.
They fight.
Look at Nuri. Look at Nuri. Oh, look at Nuri. Okay. Okay, Nunu. All right.
Watch this.
Y'all funny.
Watch this. I can go back and forth. Bryson.
Me and the baby in the pool, y'all. So this water feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. It feels good, y'all. Really, really good. Kids. My mom is up there on the grill. Getting it in because the girl is hungry. Hungry. Y'all, the excitement they show when my friend pulled up. Yeah. Look at her twisting and twirling. They excited. They little friends here. They little friends here now. Friends here. Your friend here.
I can see everybody's
Friends here. They going.
Watch this.
All right, y'all. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube.
Say hi to our YouTube channel. Hi.
All right, guys. There go our friends. They're entering the pool. Entering the pool. Boom. There go one.
Hey, sir.
There go one. There go one. And take your shirt off, Nova. It's hot. Hurry up. Your feet are hot. Hot. Hot beans, hot potatoes. Hot potatoes. Come on, Nova. It's hot. Come on. And there go another one. There go the boo. There go my boo thing. Say hey to our YouTube channel. She too bad. Hey, hey. All right, y'all. The kids are excited. Nova, come on in. Yo, where can you go? We're done, y'all. All done. It's so good. It's soft, ain't it? It's soft. Oh, no. We got 5 minutes on it. That's good, though. All done, y'all. Chicken tenderloins, hamburgers, hot sausages, and hot dogs. And there you go. You got chips. Ketchup. There we go, y'all. Mama Doo did her thing on the grill. Kiddos in line for food. For food. There they go.
Hot dog, please.
You want a hot dog?
Yes, 1 hot dog. I mean 2 hot dogs coming up. That's what the
All right, y'all. Kizzo eating. He dropped his straw. Say hey, YouTube.
Hi,
Kids are eating, guys. Hot dog, barbecue hot dogs, chips and stuff. No ladies. Enjoying the last of our summer, y'all, because these kids go back to school on Monday. Yes. You're a parent. Yes. Okay. That floor down there is hot. Them sleep. Baby sleep. Just ate, y'all. They are swimming. And a little breeze up here. It's so good. Y'all, one thing the pool gonna do is wear you out. That in the sun, cause your girl right here, my mom down in the pool, so I'm up here with our stuff by the by the grill, and y'all, I'm just sitting here. He's still asleep, and y'all, when I tell you, I'm sitting here, I'm like, ugh. That mixed with some wine, child, and this heat will lay you out. Can we get into the skin though? My skin is like glowing, y'all. Ain't no makeup, no nothing. This is all skincare routines. Okay? Ladies, mamas, take care of your skin. That's one thing you can do. Because as you get to aging, they won't be able to tell how old you is. Okay? But yeah, y'all. Still at the pool. It's hot, but these moments, y'all, you can't get them back. So you gotta cherish them and do what you can, okay? Okay.
You still sleeping?
He ain't woke up yet.
This man. You can't crawl on this ground on you.
So we're finishing up at the pool, and we are going to stay in the pool for a bit. Then we're going to head to the house and get ready because I have to go to the kids' sneak peek, which is like their welcome back to school little thing where we meet the teachers and give them their school supplies. So that's pretty much what we're going to do. And yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye. Grandma and her babies, well, half of her crew.
Sorry.
She got 3 more.
I'm sorry.
the car. The kids have sneak a peek at their school, which is basically an event to where they meet their teachers for the upcoming school year. Of course, meet some of their classmates and give their school supplies. It's a little nice for the kids. So yeah, and then just for us parents to see the other families and talk to other parents and whatever, their classmates, stuff like that. So yeah, so me and my 2 children are headed to their school, and the baby, of course. So yeah, so that's where we're headed, guys. And yeah, good pool day, y'all. Whole face going again, but yeah, we're headed here, y'all. I probably won't show y'all as much in there, but headed there, and I'll check back in when we're done. All right, y'all, so we just came from QT, came from the kids' school. We just stopped at QT because my mom wanted a freeze pop from QT, so I had to stop and grab her one. And QT is so raggedy, y'all. Like, how you only got 2 flavors out of all, I think it was like 6 or 8 machines. Like, how is it possible that only 2 are working? So just got the kids and my mom a freezy, and yeah, we're headed to the house. And yeah, y'all, it's been a day. Your girl's tired. It's going on 7 o'clock, and yeah. So hope y'all enjoy going along with this on this little typical day, pretty much. But yeah. So we're signing out, y'all, and you already know what to do. Make sure you what?
Subscribe, comment down below, and hit that bell.
Make sure you like the video, y'all. She did not say make sure you like the video. So first thing y'all, make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment. 3rd, make sure you subscribe. And 4th, make sure you hit that bell for future notifications about future videos.
And comment done.
Y'all, we out. Bye.
Bye.